I'm worried I'm about to make a mistake with my channel, so I want to talk it out with you first. I've come up with a content strategy that I think is the best way forward for this channel. I think it's the best way to help you get started with YouTube and kind of navigate this whole YouTube world. But I think it's also the best thing for this channel. However, what I'm struggling with is the way I've built this channel to this point is, or has been, with your help. It's been a very back and forth endeavor. Whether you realize it or not, pretty much everything I've done on this channel has been in response to you. For the last couple of years, I've been making videos where I'm basically answering your questions. Not just that, I've also been sharing my own journey as well, and kind of sharing with you the things that I believe have been working and the things that haven't been working. I've been doing a bunch of experiments. And this new channel direction is probably the biggest experiment I've set out to do yet. And it's that responsiveness, me being responsive to you, that I don't want to lose, okay? So, very basic question is, how do I design a content calendar and structure everything on this channel into playlists and be very intentional about the videos I make? How do I do that, but also maintain the ability to respond to you when needed? So for example, there's been several occasions where I've made a video and I've gotten pushback or a lot of the same questions back from you that I have then gone out and made my next or second next video about. I don't want to lose that responsiveness, and I need your help to help me protect it. So basically, I want you to hold me accountable. If I'm making 3 videos a week, and that's basically my pledge going forward, starting next week, is to do 3 videos a week and 1 live stream a week, as I've been doing the live stream every week. But the 3 videos a week, and I've identified several types of videos that I'm basically going to cycle through. And the idea is I'll end up creating playlists, not like one playlist, I'm not going to do like a series of videos and they all go into one playlist after I do 3, 4, 5 videos. It's not really going to be like that. In some cases it might be, but for the most part it's going to be, I make a video, it's going to slot into a specific playlist, okay? And it's going to help with a certain part of this whole YouTube journey. That's the plan, and it's basically my hope that over time I'm going to build up a library of almost searchable content where a new viewer, say a year from now, can land in my channel and kind of know where to go, okay? If they're just starting out, they know where to start. If they're struggling with camera confidence, they know what playlist to go to. So just as an example. So I've come up with 3 ideas, 3 ways that I think we can keep this responsiveness, I like that word, responsiveness or back and forth aspect to my videos, to keep that intact. The first one is, so my plan is the Friday videos, the videos that I come out with on Fridays, we're going to be more relational or relationship building, trust building, probably mostly walk and talk style videos where I'm sharing my thoughts with things, how things are going, stuff like that. So then my Friday videos can basically become, not all of them, but every once in a while can become a way that I can address things that might come up in the previous videos that I've made. Okay, so that keeps a little bit of dynamicness to my content calendar. That's probably the simplest way. But another idea I've got is, what are your thoughts on, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on all these ideas in the comments below, that'd be great, or in a live stream. In fact, it's Tuesday morning right now. I'm in Costa Rica, and in about an hour and a half, I'm going live. My last live in Costa Rica. And we can talk about it then, but you're not gonna see this video before that. Anyway, the other idea I had that I thought was a really good one is to create almost like a, I guess it could be considered another series, but like a Friday mailbag or a monthly mailbag where once a month, and this is very similar to the last idea I had, but maybe once a month, I will create a video that is just me sitting down having a chat with you, where I go over anything that's come up in the previous month. So in that respect, it would be a little bit more structured in that I'll do it every month as opposed to just whenever needed, right? And we can call that the monthly mailbag, right? Me addressing thoughts that have come up in the comments or in live streams throughout the month. Okay, so that's idea number 2. The third idea is probably what I intend to do anyways, and we could end up doing kind of a hybrid of all these ideas. And that is that my live streams on Tuesdays become a place where I address whatever's come up throughout the week, if anything's come up. If I make a video and let's say a large percentage of you don't agree with what I say, or let's say I made a video and I was wrong about something and you guys pointed out and I like, yeah, you're right, I was wrong. Like, where can I address that? Maybe I do that just in the live streams. So that's another idea. So let me know what your thoughts are on that. Again, I want to keep the responsiveness of my channel. That's how I built this channel. That's how we built this channel, by me making videos that you've asked for and by me answering questions that you've asked in my comments and in my live streams. Okay, and I want to keep that. So again, 3 ideas. Number 1, just every once in a while on a Friday, I'll address as needed. Or number 2, it could be a monthly thing that I do every month in a Friday video. Or number 3, just deal with it in a live stream, in the next live stream. Or number 4, a combination of all. So let me know what you think of that. This is my last video here in Costa Rica. It's also my last video before I move into the content calendar that I've created that I hope you're as excited about as I am. I really do think it's the best way forward for this channel and for me and for you and for anybody who hasn't found us yet, who hasn't found this channel yet. I think it's going to really help people find the answers they're looking for. And because at the end of the day, I want to help you grow a YouTube channel. I want to help you get started. I want to help you get over your fears, whatever they might be. I want to help you learn the skills that you need, whatever they might be. And I want to help you grow. And at the same time, I want to grow this channel as well. So that's it for today. Thanks for coming on vacation with me. And I will see you in a few days back in Nova Scotia. All right, guys, take care.